Hi guys, welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the ultimate love reality TV show, Presh Talker reveals she was willing to sacrifice David for Rosie to save their friendship. It seems the drama and feud between Presh Talker and Rosie is not going to be over anytime soon, as we have been seeing how Presh keeps bringing up the issue they had moments before they were paired. As we all know at the beginning, how everyone thought Rosie would be paired with David Wilson, but David Wilson had a different thing in mind, perhaps in deep confusion as he went for Presh David. So many things happened between the three love guests before pairing. Rosie later sees David Wilson and Presh Talker as betrayers, so Presh Talker was heard telling the love guests that she was even willing to let go of David for Rosie, obviously because of their friendship. Same Presh that went to wake Rosie up in the midnight to tell her she and David have something together. Same babe that told him to go and clear Rosie. So guys, you've seen it. Followers of Ultimate Love, this is an interesting gist for you, and if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell button to get new notifications. Stay tuned for more gist on Ultimate Love.